to increase your hair growth fast at home with rosemary vinegar. Hair growth could sometimes slow down due to the buildup of dirt or product residue. This buildup may clog your follicles and form deposits on your hair shaft. Using a rosemary vinegar rinse can help solve this issue. For the preparation of rosemary vinegar, you will need 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 cups of water. Now, what you have to do is crush the sprigs of fresh rosemary and soak them in the apple cider vinegar. Store in a cool and dark place for about 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, mix 4 tablespoons of this rosemary vinegar with 2 cups of water. Use this mixture as a final rinse after you shampoo and condition your hair. For best results, use this rinse once a month in addition to other rosemary treatments. Note: do not use the rosemary vinegar in excess. This is especially important if you have dry hair. An excess of vinegar can dehydrate your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.